So I found myself needing a set of sawhorses because I'm going to start real soon here building a 20 by 20 workshop, and I was going to need something to house my miter saw when I need to use it. So I pre-cut 4 2x4s at 32 inches and 10 2x4s at 30 inches. You'll see here what I'm doing is I'm just sandwiching a 30-inch board in between two 32-inch boards, basically making a little I-beam. I'm using 9x3 construction grade screws, not using any glue. You could do this if you don't have a miter saw. You could easily do this with a circular saw. Here I'm going about 1 inch in. I noticed a lot of guys on the videos I watched on YouTube did that because in case they needed to use some clamps. So I just went ahead and did it. I'm not saying I'll ever need to use clamps, but what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna set these up and I'm gonna screw, I'm gonna rip down a 4x8 sheet of plywood to 3x6 probably, and just make a big table out of it for my miter saw and my table saw. Here I'm just running some screws in a 30-inch leg, and what I'll do is I'll attach those, and the edge of that leg will line up with the 30-inch board, so just a 1 inch offset on those as well. I use 4 screws on this, and it's very simple build. I believe it took like 4.5 2x4s. At the time when I bought those 2x4s about a month ago, they were roughly about $3.75 at my local Lowe's. And so if you count my lumber and the screws, I'm gonna say 25 bucks for an easy set of sawhorses that are gonna do everything I need them to do, and they're gonna last. When I'm done with my workshop, more than likely I'll just throw them in my other shed, and if I ever need some sawhorses, I'll have them. And I'm sure there's a million videos on sawhorses on YouTube. Some of them, they get crazy. They got different kind of legs they're using. Just crazy. So I thought I'd make 1,000,001 videos for YouTube sawhorses, and this is what I came up with. So you'll see for 25 bucks, I've got 2 good sawhorses that are going to do everything I need to do and last a while. Thanks for watching, and if you made it this far, please like and subscribe, as I'll be posting videos on my workshop build.